Alright, this is Nick, Dad on e-bike. I'm just finishing my ride after dealing with a flat tire. I swapped out the tube. I made a video. I'm not sure if it's any good, but basically I can describe what was going on there. I don't think I talked during it very much, but what happened was I flipped the bike over at first. I wasn't too careful, and the mirror got turned backwards, but it's just a cheapo mirror. Not too worried about it. And then I found a big nail in the tire, and it was maybe 2 inches long. So it went through both sides. 2 inches, I don't know about that. Maybe an inch long, inch and a half. And I think I might show pulling that out. It was pretty gnarly. And I had this patch kit, which are just these sticker patches, which are awesome. Well, in theory are awesome. And I tried to use them on this. I mean, this is a pretty extreme hole. It's not like a small hole. And I think the second time I used it, I got a little dirt under the patch, and I think that ruined it. So, or I kind of put it up on the seam of the tire or the tube, and that it might have just not had good enough traction at the seam there. So, either way, when I pumped up the tire after putting the patches on, patch blew out. That was an experiment, and now then I just put the extra tube on that I had, which I'm glad that I had, and I'm gonna order a new one. So actually, when I met the guy the other day on the Red Wagon, he said he got his back tire. He had a flat on it, and he said he was done. Or he not done. He said he brought it into the shop to change, and I've done that, but it's really just the same as a normal tire, except it's heavier because you got a big old motor in the middle. So, but when I was flipping the bike back over, I popped myself in the face with one of the handlebars. I'm still not sure how it happened. It hit my eyeball. It's one of those things where, had it pushed a little harder, it might have pushed my eyeball in or something horrible. So, that's probably the scariest moment. And it's always a scary moment when you get a flat and you realize that your traction isn't the same. So usually, the way I've realized I had a flat on the back tire is when if I feel the bike fishtailing pretty seriously, that typically means I got a flat. Yeah. Well, everything's going pretty well. I'm less than a mile from home, or maybe a mile from home now, so it wouldn't be my pride would be hurt if I kept going, or if I had a problem with this flat or with this tire. But it wouldn't be much of a big deal to just walk it home. One time in the beginning, when I first got this bike, I got a flat, didn't have any of my stuff, and I'm pretty sure I walked it 5 miles home because it was a relatively new bike at that time, new to me, and I didn't want the $1,500 that I had, $1,800, whatever I just spent on it. I wasn't ready to just kiss it goodbye, and so I walked it maybe 5 or 6 miles back, and I had a good podcast, and also didn't get a workout that day, so I was just kind of feeling like it was almost meant to be that I needed to get my steps in that day. But yeah, we'll see. I might not ride tomorrow because of mild trauma of this. I did notice when I flipped over the bike that the tread on my rear tire is way low, especially compared to my front tire. So I'm trying to remember. I don't know exactly why the front would be in so much better shape than the back. There's a lot more weight, I believe, on the back, but yeah, probably time for a new tire on the outside, especially because they had that big old nail hole there as well. I didn't do anything to patch up that. I don't think that's standard action. All right, let's go down here. Well, looks like I'm gonna make it home, and I'll be uploading those videos, but